Hi there, AJ from the Digi.com, Chief Instructor for Waterkai Holland and Kenshikai Kobudo Europe. In this video, I'll teach you exactly what I just showed you using a ball. Alright, so first off, palm up of your right hand, left palm down, and we are using what we call santo ho, which is a 3-section method. There are also other ways which makes your bow much longer, but this is the basic way that we use. So first, we're going to attach the right part of the bow to the side of the arm. Our actual basic is on top of the shoulder, but this is much more difficult, especially if you're new to it. If you have some experience with bow, by all means guys, use this position. So, before I'm going to teach you techniques, a little bit extra in the information. You know this, pull back. And you also know this, punch. So the only thing you have to think about is what you already do with karate. Pull and punch. So pull and punch. And if you do that at the same time, then you're getting pretty reasonably close to the strike that you're supposed to execute. Alright, so with that said, attach it to the right side of the arm. And we're going to do it in stages a couple of times so you can get used to it. I don't know how much experience you have. So start by pulling and finalize by punching. Now note that when you punch, this hand comes up again and your bow gets under the chest. So again, back to the original position, pull and punch. Pull and punch. So now we're going to make that a little bit more smooth. So pull and punch. Pull and punch. And now at the same time. Okay, that's the first one. Right, let's stick to the right hand side. So again, pull and punch. Pull and punch. Pull and punch. So practice and just make sure that goes smoother and smoother and smoother. So that eventually you don't have a feeling of either being separate. So they're both one and the same, all part of the same axis to strike with your bow, like this. And now let's include some stepping. So, on the outside of the arm, stages, one step, one strike, and come back. So half a step, keep this in front, pointing the bow forward so don't get lazy, then strike, come back. Halfway and strike. So now we're going to let time pass faster. How do I say this? So don't wait here too long, right? That's what I'm trying to get across. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, gradually get that faster. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now on one count. Hey, ich. Neer. Hey. Up. Hey. Alright. Now, to really spice up this stuff, we need to turn it into a combination, but we also need to know flipping. So, like this, right palm up, left palm down. Make it vertical, open your hands, slide one up, one down, get back to the other position. Vertical, switch places, and go. Turning that into a little bit more smooth without stopping, and eventually you have to be able to do that in this manner. Right, so remember, strike without a step, strike including a step. Now we're going to flip it on the outside, come back, so that we can strike with our left. Look, flip on the outside as you come back. So 1, 2, flip and step back. And now I forgot one, excuse me. So 1 and 2, flip and step back. And make sure it's not like this. You have to get that rebound. because that stopping, that taking stance, we already practiced that in the stepping move. So this has a lot of elements in it, right? So 1, 2, then flip, then 1, 2, flip, 1, 2, hey, 8, 8, each. All right, that's the exercise for today. You want more? Okay, one more then. Let's do it this way. So remember, 1 with the rebound and strike. Flip and get into position. 1 with the rebound and strike. So one more time, right, to finalize this video before we head over to the website. Here we go. So 1, 2, flip, 1, 2. Right, that's really it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this training method for both Kesa Uchi. Very basic, very fundamental, and very powerful, because if you do this action, you'll start to feel changes in your regular striking as well. So if you have enjoyed this training, head over to kenshinkaikobudo.com. I have a special waiting for you there. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.